Greetings, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Boost Opt-in review. For those of you out there who are looking to massively increase your leads, to massively increase the amount of real email addresses that you're getting, not the fake emails that people use just for junk mail, but real emails, real primary emails, Boost Opt-in is a sneaky little email capture tool that is going to get you real primary email addresses from people as well as their names right into your email autoresponder. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Boost Opt-in, and I've got a really cool demo for you so you can see a hands-on look at what it's all about. As well as that, I've also got some really cool bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with Boost Opt-in to make sure you really get the most out of it. You can hit the ground running. A lot of people are already ranting and raving about Boost Opt-in. It is a really cool tool, one of the coolest I've got to review and check out probably this year. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to check it out. Before we get into all that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want to be updated on new videos, new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online, hit the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification. Now just quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any moment in this video and check out Boost Opt-in on your own or the bonuses on your own, simply click that link in the description and that will take you first through to my bonus page, which looks like this. All the legal stuff at the top with my contact details if you have any problems. But basically how my bonus page works is if you click on any of these green buttons, that will first lock in all the bonuses that you just saw briefly there, and then send you off to the official Boost Opt-in sales page, so that when you do buy Boost Opt-in, you will also get all of my exclusive bonuses all along with it as well. The first bonus I've gotten for you is called Social Media Income, and these usually are sold individually, but I've just packed them all together into one bundle, so a 5-part bonus, as you can see for the from the picture there. And it's going to help you to really go out and get your traffic proactively. So you're going to use Boost Opt-in for your offer, and then you're going to go out, learn how to use these social media channels really effectively. There's different ways to use each one, and make sure that you're sending, making sure that you're effective and able to send a decent amount of traffic back to your offers, because that's where your sales are going to come from. So within this package here, you've got the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest versions. Those are the big 5 for driving buyer intended traffic to your offers, to your stores, or whatever. Bonus number 2 I've gotten for you is a new product that came out last week. It's called Facebook Group Unleashed, and I've been using Facebook groups a lot for selling things online. There are some really cool groups if you know how to find them, if you know where they are, if you know what mistakes you shouldn't be making. This product is going to go into how to find that traffic that is going to be interested in your offer within niche Facebook groups. A very powerful way to drive traffic. Bonus number 3, I've got a new email and management secrets. So Boost Opt-in is going to help you get emails, but it doesn't go so much into how to manage your email list. Money is made in the list. Boost Opt-in is going to get you those real emails of people who will buy, but then you need secrets. You need to know how to manage that list, how to send effective emails. So with this bonus and the next bonus 4 I've got here, they're all going to work together. So bonus number 4 is $1 Million Copy and how to read your customers' minds better than Houdini. This is going to take you into how to write effective emails, copy, whatever. You're making landing pages, right? With Boost Opt-in, you're making little offer pages. You're going to need to know how to write good copy, which will trigger emotions in people. If you don't know how to write good copy and you're trying to sell, you're a one-armed man in a you're a one-armed man in a boxing match. Okay, you need to know how to trigger emotions in people. The only way to do that is by understanding copy. You don't need to be the best, but you do need to understand emotional triggers, how to write in a way that compels people to buy. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is the vendor Boost Opt-in. They've hooked me up with some really cool bonuses to give to you if you go through my link. So really quickly, what they've given me to give to you, you're getting 10 premium plugins with $197 that they've hooked me up with that you can put into your WordPress site. They've got 50 ready-made mock-ups. So how to create mock-ups of bonuses and offers really easily. We've got traffic multiplier. This is a tool that is going to help you drive traffic to your site through various methods. Lead generation for beginners. Again, it's going to teach you how to generate leads. Leads are like the lifeblood of any online business. If you don't know how to get leads, your page is just going to sit there. It's going to be empty. So another great tool here to generate leads. And then we've got split testing made simple. So whether you're putting out ads or whether you're putting out different kind of pages with different copy or different pictures or different layouts, A/B split testing is really valuable. It's something that you should really try to adopt. Because sometimes you A/B split test, 2 pages, and one just kills the other one as far as converting sales goes, and it's good. It's a really good habit to get into. Next one is email marketing done right. So this is a course that teaches you step by step how to maximize a newly built email list. So that's going to go really well hand in hand with my bonus product, Email Management Secrets. And then we've got 10 premium WordPress themes worth $197. Are you sure? Because the last time I checked, WordPress themes are about $59 to $69, sometimes $129 each. 10 for $197 means they're both about, $20 each. You're getting them all for free if you buy BoostOptin. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click that link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page. You lock in your bonuses by clicking these green buttons. That will launch you off to the BoostOptin sales page, which looks like this. Has all the information you need about BoostOptin, testimonials, the bonuses again you can check out, functions, features, you can see what it's all about. I would recommend checking it out in your own time so we're not here all day. If you do decide to purchase, you will be sent a digital receipt, which will look like this one because it is a Warrior Plus product. And so under the green button will be BoostOptin, under the blue button will be all the bonuses that we just talked about. Any problems, my email address is here. Very welcome to message me with any problems you might face. Right now we're gonna jump into that demo I was just talking about of BoostOptin, so let's check it out.
Hey, Eric Hammer here. I am one of the creators of BoostOptin. I wanted to give you a brief demonstration of how the software works. You can see that we're in the members area. There's quite a lot of training here. You can go through the various things. Just want to give you a brief overview though. So basically what we're going to do is fill in this little form here. Now, when you fill this form, there's a couple of brand new features that we added in that are really, really cool stuff that you're not going to find anywhere else. So first and foremost, when you fill in a campaign name, basically you're going to want to put in your own unique campaign name because this is going to be something that you can use to track your conversions on every ad that you run. So for our purposes, we're just going to put in like boost test, let's say. All right. Now, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and put in your image URL. For our purposes, I'm going to put in something that I remember very easily, which is my picture. But it can literally be anything you like. You can see on our sales page, there's a picture of a cat. It says, tap my nose to learn 13 things that your cat wants you to know. There's literally anything you can want, any picture you like, you can put there. Now, this is a very cool feature that there's a couple of programs that can do some of the features that BoostOptin can do. Nothing does all these things, and this is one of the features that's completely unique to BoostOptin. We've added in the ability to add tracking code for Google AdWords. So what that means is that if somebody visits your page and for whatever reason doesn't decide to opt into your list, instead of having to pay another 50 cents or $1 or $2 per click that you're getting them to your page originally, you can use a remarketing tag, which will cost you about 5 to 10 cents per click. You can chase them around the internet saying, hey, did you forget something? Basically, all you're going to need is this little code, this little number here. You'll generate your Google remarketing ID, but all you need is this number. There's a whole course available here teaching you how to use Google remarketing, but what's important here is to get this number. It doesn't cost you anything to have it, so even if you're not going to use it right now, you may as well get it. But if you don't want to use it, just leave it blank and the software will ignore it. For now, we're going to go ahead and add that in. So, all right, and then we're going to put in a special email address. Now, the email address can either be an email that you can use for your autoresponder, which basically will allow you to do subscribe via email. For example, Aweber offers that, or you can use a special Gmail account and then hook it to your autoresponder using Zapier. There's information in the software. I'm not going to go over that right now. But basically, it can be anything you like. So, for example, this is my actual email that I use for this purpose. Okay, now, the subject can be anything you like. I like to keep it simple. Hey, Eric, I'd love to get your free gift just for being a member of the tribe. Okay, and then basically in the email, we're going to write something simple here, Eric. Thanks so much for the opportunity. I am looking forward to learning from you. And I'm going to add in a little something just to make sure that they know that this is obviously an email list. They probably figured out already, but just in case, I understand that you'll occasionally send me free gifts. Well, not free gifts. Send me valuable offers. And I also understand that, let's make this a little bit funny, gasp, oh, the horror, your email may end up in spam. If it does, I promise to hit this is not spam. Thanks again. And then the software is going to automatically create this for you. Now the final thing you're going to have is forward after tap. This is a really cool feature. I'm going to demonstrate for you in a ready-made squeeze page that I have done for you. And I want to show you what it does. So basically you're going to click forward after tap, and when you do that, you can forward to a tripwire offer of any kind that you like. Whatever it is that you want to forward to, you can put that in. So you can put in, I'm just putting for our purposes something easy to remember, google.com. But it can be, obviously, you want something you're going to make money off of. And you're going to see in the squeeze page that I already have ready made that you can actually go ahead and see that it's going to forward to a tripwire offer, obviously not to google.com. For our purpose, we're going to do that just because for the purpose of filling out the form. And then we're going to click generate the code. You can see it's going to generate this very, very complicated piece of code here. All you're going to do is click select and copy. And then basically going to paste this code into anything you like. So, for example, let me go ahead and open up my own website real quick and show you what I mean. So we're going to go ahead and click on pages and just add it. And basically all you really have to do is paste the code in. Obviously you want to put in some sort of a heading. So for example, you might put in a heading that says, just tap my picture for a free gift that will teach you how to make money online. You don't have to have this, just something extra that you might want to do, but obviously you do want to have something that just tells people what it is instead of just the picture, unless the picture also says what to do. Now, so this basically all you're going to do is click publish, and then you're going to have your page ready-made. Now, I already have a ready-made page I want to show you because I want to show you what it looks like as an actual squeeze page. So here's an example of a squeeze page that I use. So you can see it's a very simple squeeze page, picture of an ocean with a bit of a beach. And at the top, it just has a nice little thing. Basically kind of tantalizing. Does your bank often hit zero? Click below to find out never have money usage again. You're going to click instant access. This is obviously our button. When I click this button, a couple of things are going to happen. First of all, it's going to open up my email and automatically populate an email to me asking for the free gift. And all I have to do is click send, and then it'll be added into my autoresponder series. Beyond that, though, you can see over here, it's also forwarding me to a tripwire offer. And that's a really cool feature because I've actually made quite a bit of money using the tripwire offer feature as well, where basically after people opt in, they immediately are monetized by offering them a cool offer. They can go ahead and purchase this. So you end up getting the best of both worlds. Now let's go ahead and take a look what happens when you look at this on a mobile phone. Hold up my mobile phone over here so you can see it in the camera. You can see that we have the same exact squeeze page we had before. All you have to do is go over here and tap our little button over here, and it's going to open up my email to request the free gift. Once I've sent the free gift request, let's go ahead and close it up, go back to our Google, and there you go. Once they've sent the request for the free gift, they're going to go to a tripwire offer that we've set up. And of course, if we go back into the actual software, you'll be able to see that everything has been tracked, so you know exactly how often people have clicked. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. So you can see over here we've done numerous tests. Obviously, we have our boost test right here that's showing display count 0 for some reason, but the click count is correct, showing you how often it's clicked, probably because we went directly to it instead of somebody else visiting it. But the bottom line is you're seeing all the different display counts, all the different tests that we've run. We've tested this software in pretty much every major software we could think of. So it's been tested in multiple page builders, Elementor, Divi, Thrive Themes, Optimized Press. It's been also tested with ClickFunnels and with Wix. Pretty much anything you like, as far as, of course, plain HTML, pretty much anything you like, as long as you can paste a piece of HTML code, then it'll automatically open up the email client, as well as forward after tap, and also track everything for you. The other cool thing that we have here, this particular video is going to teach you our hybrid system, because a lot of people ask me, well, what happens if they don't have an email client on their desktop computer? Now, the truth of the matter is about 60 to 70% of people will visit your page from a mobile device. That is just the reality, that people are going to be visiting from a mobile device. Most of them don't visit. And the people who do visit from a desktop computer, usually they're doing it when they're at work and they're bored, and so they're checking their personal email, and so they're going to click from their desktop, and usually at the office they're going to have Outlook or something like that, so it'll also open up their Outlook. But for the rare occasions when somebody might be visiting from a desktop at home and they don't have an email client, because most people don't have those anymore, we have a special hybrid system that we teach you to work with desktop computers as well as with mobile computers, to make sure that you're never going to have an issue where the software isn't going to get you the maximum results possible. So on the desktop computer, you can actually go ahead and set it with a more traditional opt-in form, so that when people visit from a desktop, it'll detect that and show them a traditional opt-in form, whereas when they visit from a mobile device, it'll show them the BoostOptin mobile lead page, which will get you the maximum amount of results possible. And we've seen tremendous results from this. The numbers are just astounding. I've gone from less than 2% open rates to 23% open rates, just because of the fact that I use this kind of software to actually go ahead and grab the best possible of these possible. So this is
all right. I hope you enjoyed that demo. I really am looking forward to this coming out today, so I can get my hands in it as well. It's going to be really, really powerful. Hope you're excited about it too. Really quickly, we're just going to go through the pricing. Again, you can view this on my bonus page. So the front end is only $27, and I will say that you do only need the front end to get access to the bonuses. So if you just want what you've seen mostly in the video, $27 and all those bonuses. So you're getting, you know, it's got to be up there like $1,000 worth of stuff, and you only need that front end. So there's also a one-time offer number one. Put Eric to work for you for $67. So after you pick up BoostOptin, you're going to need a way to attract leads and monetize them. And in this package, we're calling Put Eric to Work for You. Your customer gets a set of 10 lead magnets they can give away to build their list, along with mock-ups and done-for-you squeeze pages. You also get a 31-day email sequence along with hand-picked ClickBank offers and lead magnets, so a ton of extras there to help you really hit the ground running. One-time offer number two, steal money. Everyone's favorite. Your customer gets a chance to leverage their authority, the creator's authority, to keep 100% of the commissions. So that's like a reseller package. One-time offer number 3, you get the complete package. They install the lead capture page, email sequence, and even send traffic and offer coaching to your customers. So basically for $197, they're going to do all the work for you and you just reap the rewards essentially. So yeah, basically the sooner you get in, the more you get for the least price. So I would recommend checking out BoostOptin. It's going to be really awesome. It's going to help you. It's sneaky, but it's all by the book. So I do recommend checking it out risk-free. There is a full money-back guarantee, so not a worry to be had there. And if you do have any problems, you can always send me a message in the comments, in my social media, on my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. So yeah, if not, I hope you enjoyed BoostOptin. Hope you're excited to start getting some leads. And I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.